So some notes about the climate this year. A little bit less rain than last year. We had about 450 millimeters rain compared to last year 560. So little drier, little warmer this summer, but the grape is fantastically rare. Well, I believe we can make some very good wine this year. Ragazzi, accendiamo le luci. So Jose, you want to taste our
yes, of course.
small little
bunch of Chardonnay grapes. Let's taste it. This is really sweet and fresh and well balanced. I think it's a good start for this 2012 harvest.
So today we had a temperature, a max temperature of 94 Fahrenheit, so about 34. And now we got 18 degrees Celsius, so about 64. That's really important for the grape, for the aromas. And of course, for us, we like to press the grape at the temperature of 50 Fahrenheit, 10 Celsius.